Do it again.
Okay, you gotta count out loud.
Okay, ready, Ava?
3. Again?
Oh boy.
You gotta count. You wanna do it? You wanna do it? You do it. 1. You pour it on your head. 1, 2, 3.
How was that, Ava? Was that cold?
Okay, ready?
Looks pretty refreshing from here.
You wanna do it or should I do it? Daddy or Ava? 1. Go on, count. 1, 2, 3. Here, Daddy's turn. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3. Again? Okay. Who do you want to do it? You or me? Who's doing it? Who's doing it? Who's doing it?
Aww. You're okay.
It went in her face.
Yeah, it did. It went right in her face.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
Alright, you gotta get Daddy good now.
3.